Can an offender leave his victim in a vehicular accident? That is one of our topic today here on a Rcrimvlog YouTube channel. Magandang buhay sa inyong lahat mga kapatid. Welcome to our another new video discussion today. Bago po natin simulan ang ating discussion, gusto ko pong batiin sina Lakikoy 103 at si Sir Alex Dagsuan sa kanilang pagpasa ng kanilang Criminology Licensure Examination. Congratulations po sa inyong dalawa. Binabati ko din po sina Ma'am SirDa at si Lightem Up. I'm glad po na nakakatulong po ko sa inyo. At saka binabati ko rin si Sir Ronaldo Cinco na kasama namin sa Car Balita Review Center po. At ngayon po, ating pakinggan ang ating daily verse, Romans 8 verse 26 to 28. Likewise, the Spirit helps us in our weakness, for we do not know what to pray for as we ought, but the Spirit Himself intercedes for us with groanings too deep for words. And He who searches the hearts knows what is in the mind of the Spirit, because the Spirit intercedes for the saints according to the will of God. And we know that those who love God, all things work together for good, for those who are called according to His purpose. Our topic for today is all about the duties of a driver in case of traffic accident under Republic Act 4136 and other crimes involving motor vehicle accident po. The RA 4136 is entitled as the Land Transportation and Traffic Code. This is an act to compile the laws relative to the land transportation and traffic rules, to create a land transportation commission and other purposes po. Under the section 55 of this law, it is specifically provided the duties of a driver in case of a traffic accident. Kung magkaroon po ng accident sa highway, as a result of the operation of a motor vehicle, ang duties po ng driver ay to show his driver's license, give his true name and address, and also the true name and address of the owner of the motor vehicle po. Ang tanong po ngayon, pwede bang iwan ng driver yung place ng accident without aiding his victim? Ang sagot po ng tanong na yan, under RA 4136 po, the general rule is no. No driver of a motor vehicle concerned in a vehicular accident is allowed to leave the place of accident without aiding the victim. Yan po ang general rule. Pero meron po tayong tatlong exemption dyan. Una, kapag ang buhay ng driver ay nanganganib po, so siya ay maaring saktan ng mga taong nasa paligid at the place of incident by reason of that accident. Pangalawa, kapag tinakbuhan niya yung kanyang nabangga para i-report yung pangyayari sa police officer or nearest officer of the law. Pangatlo, tinakbuhan niya yung kanyang nabangga para tumawag siya ng physician or nurse to summon the victim. Yan po ang tatlong exemption na maaring takbuhan po natin ang ating nabangga. Paano po kapag yung taong nakabangga ay tinakbuhan niya yung kanyang biktima? Wala namang imminent danger sa buhay niya kung tinulungan niya yung biktima. Hindi rin niya nireport yung pangyayari sa nearest officer of the law at hindi rin siya nagsumon ng physician or nurse to aid the victim. Ano pong kaso niya under our criminal law? That is paragraph B of Article 275, which is the abandonment of one's own victim po. Take note po na itong Article 275 or the abandonment of person in danger and abandonment of one's own victim ay applicable lamang po kapag yung pagkabangga po ng offender sa biktima ay accidentally po. Kapag intentional po yung pagkamangga ng offender sa biktima, hindi po nating pwedeng ikaso yung Article 275. Now, ano pong kaso kapag yung offender has the intention to kill the victim? And in order to execute his will, he drive a motor vehicle and intentionally hit and bump the victim. Ano pong kaso? Murder or homicide? That is murder po. Because killing by means of a motor vehicle is a qualifying aggravating circumstances of a murder po. How about if the offender accidentally hit the victim which resulted into the latter's death? is there a criminal liability? Ang sagot po ng tanong na yan ay, if the offender proves that he has no negligence or no fault, there is no criminal liability. The offender is exempted from punishment. Pero, kapag mapatunayan po na yung accident ay nangyari po because of the negligence or fault of the offender po, ang kaso po natin ay reckless imprudence resulting to homicide po. Kapag yung victim is not dead po, he sustained physical injury, ang kaso po natin ay pwedeng reckless imprudence resulted to serious physical injury, less serious physical injury, or slight physical injury po. If the victim did not sustain physical injury, ang kaso po natin ay pwedeng reckless imprudence or simple negligence resulted in the damage to property po. Ayan po. Kung may natutunan po kayo sa video ito, just hit the like button. And if you want more videos about criminal law, investigation, law enforcement, and forensic science and other criminology subjects, just hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be kept updated. And also, if you have a suggestion, correction, recommendation, or if you want to request a video discussion about the topics of criminology subjects po, just feel free to type at the comment section below po. Thank you and God bless you. See you on my next videos po.